if I told you that I lived by Layton Surf and Swim, would you know kind of where my house was? Would you? Awesome. Okay, that's called a landmark. A landmark is something that we know. Now, if I said I live by a tree, do you think you could find my house? You could?
There's a lot of trees. Which
There's
one
so
would it
many
be?
trees. Which one? Okay, so there's so many trees, so we can't find it easy. A landmark is something that we know and something we can find easy. In music, we have lots of landmarks. Now, our first landmark that you guys have learned is this note right here. What note is that?
What note is that?
What note is this? Do. Good, this is our middle do. Now, in treble clef, we're going to learn another landmark. This part of the treble clef circles around this line, which is so. Very good. All right, and then now we're going to learn one in the bass clef. These two dots show us our fa. See how the fa line kind of crosses right in between? Now we have song that goes with all of our landmark notes. And let's try and sing the first part. It goes like this. Treble clef sings up so high, circles around our landmark so. Bass clef dots show us our fa. We sing oh so low. Very good. Now as we learn more landmarks, we will get to add to our list of landmarks and our song. Good work.